noticeable shift is happening again in the world of lightweight motorcycles, not toward bigger displacement or louder performance, but toward machines that are simple, confident, and fun to ride. Riders are rediscovering what it feels like to connect with a bike that just works. 26 Kawasaki KE125. The 2026 Kawasaki KE125 represents a pure and honest approach to riding. A motorcycle built for riders who value usability over complexity, simplicity over unnecessary features, and fun over spectacle. This is not a bike trying to impress with statistics. It is a bike designed to make you feel confident. The KE125 sits in a category that balances everyday usability with light dual sport capability. Not too heavy, not intimidating, but strong and versatile enough to handle streets and trails with confidence. Straight from the first look, the KE125 feels purposeful, slim bodywork, lightweight proportions, an upright stance that signals versatility. Nothing flashy, everything intentional. The design feels honest. No over-the-top plastics, no busy graphics, just a bike that looks ready to ride, not just sit in a showroom. Swing a leg over the KE125, and the first thing you notice is how approachable it feels. The seat height is comfortable. Your feet reach the ground easily. The bike feels light underneath you. The handlebars rest naturally in your hands. Your posture feels balanced and relaxed. This setup is no accident. Honda's engineers, and Kawasaki's too, have learned that confidence starts with comfort. The seating position is upright but not stretched. Your back stays relaxed, your arms stay loose. Your body feels ready for riding, not bracing for it. Start the engine and the KE125 comes alive in the best way possible. Calm, smooth, predictable. This engine is tuned not for peak power, but for usable strength. Throttle response is clean and intuitive. Power builds steadily without surprises. Small mistakes don't feel catastrophic, they feel educational. In city riding, the KE125 shines. Traffic feels manageable. Stops and starts feel smooth. Tight streets and congested areas feel easy. The bike flows through urban environments effortlessly. Parking is a breeze. U-turns are calm and controlled. Low-speed maneuvers feel stable and reassuring. You guide the bike, you don't fight with it. The lightweight nature of the KE125 is a major advantage. A light bike makes every maneuver easier. You feel connected to the machine, not overwhelmed by it. As the road opens up, the KE125 settles into a comfortable rhythm. Cruising feels relaxed, the engine hums in a steady groove. You're not chasing speed, you're enjoying movement.
This philosophy matters more than ever, as motorcycles become bigger, more complex, and more automated. The KE125 brings riding back to its roots, movement, balance, connection. Over time, something powerful happens. The bike fades into the background. The rider becomes the focus. Skill replaces fear. Confidence replaces hesitation. You stop thinking about the motorcycle and start thinking about the road, the next bend, the horizon ahead. That is the true strength of the 2026 Kawasaki KE125. So, who is this motorcycle really for? It is for beginners starting their motorcycle journey. It is for commuters who want a fun everyday bike. It is for explorers who enjoy light adventure. It is for seasoned riders who appreciate simplicity and feel. Because the best motorcycles are not necessarily the biggest, they are the ones you want to ride again tomorrow. The 2026 Kawasaki KE125 invites you back again and again. It doesn't shout. It communicates. It does not intimidate. It cooperates. Every ride feels personal. Every mile feels meaningful. This is intention, and never underestimate a motorcycle that makes every ride feel alive. Disclaimer: some specifications, features, and interpretations in this script are generated or assisted by I based on historical models, general motorcycle principles, and expected industry trends, and may not reflect final official Kawasaki specifications.